go.
So, as you can see, I'm driving Bella, Tyson, whatever you want to call it. She calls it Bella, I call it Tyson.
It's Bella.
Anyhow,
It's Bella.
I'm driving the Boxer, the
Mick.
camper van.
Mick, it is Bella.
Okay, it's called Bella then, right? And I'm not Mick, Mick South.
Mick
Talking
South
about you.
House.
South House. Anyhow, we thought we'd take the van out for a little bit of a run. We finished work early on the Friday. We're going to take the van out for a bit. Look, almost ditched it. Thought we'd take the van out for a little bit of a run because it never get used. We're going to take it over to Chop's garage, let him have a look at the progress so far.
Can I just say the seatbelt didn't work and Roger the Bodger had to fix it.
I had to get a grinder to the seatbelt to get it going. Anyhow, what I wanted to say was, this is the first proper run out with Eddie Kit in the back. And also, it's the first time Sadie's been in the van. Is that true? It is, isn't it? Especially in your new seat and that.
Yes, we've
Right.
been down the lane, but not out for a drive.
We've been down the lane, have we? Anyhow, so we're
No,
giving it a
not
little
that
test
type of
run.
lane.
Oh, different lane. So we're giving it a little test run. We're going to see how it goes. It's half built in the back, and guess what? On the 6th of July, you meant to be looking at me, woman.
Why?
On
They
the
don't want to see
6th
your
of July, this is for my YouTube. On the
mug. They
6th
still
of
don't want to
July,
see your ugly mug.
no, I know, but they want to hear from me.
Well, we
Anyhow, shut up then. On the 6th of July, we are flying to Turkey from Exeter. We're staying in Ocean Blue for 10 nights. We've got a nice deal off the guys at Ocean View and a good deal off TUI for flying from Exeter, which is rare. So we're going to be flying over. So there won't be any camper van videos for a few weeks.
Thanks
They'll
to
be on this
Mehmet
Sunday.
Tunk slogging and flogging.
Yeah, Mehmet Tunk getting us a deal. We did get a deal. Anyhow, so this is a quick update to let you know Gas Guy is on the road in the camper van for the first time ever, but we're not camping in it, we're going to Turkey. But we just thought we'd share
It's
that.
driving shit, by the way.
Right, I am trying to concentrate. Right, piss off then. See you later, bye.